The lack of unity is the biggest challenge. For instance, I'm fighting Congress in my state and BJP in my state. And then when it comes to union politics or politics in Delhi, we are asked to pick sides. We're asked to pick, whether you want to battle Congress or BJP. Now, my point is, if I'm fighting Congress in the state and BJP in Delhi, I'm still opposition, effectively. But what went wrong, if you ask me, like you said, with respect to BJP and the opposition, I'd say Congress is the largest party today in the opposition. They've failed to enthuse people, they've failed to modernize, they've failed to organize, then they've failed to present a credible alternative nationally. That's beyond doubt. And that is why BJP is getting away without any serious scrutiny. BJP is able to, win election after election because the biggest asset of Prime Minister Modi, if you ask me, is Mr. Rahul Gandhi himself. That is a reality. You can see it. So the point is, unless Congress wakes up from its deep slumber, modernizes, organizes itself, and presents itself in a form that people are able to appreciate, not much is going to change. Yes, there will be regional forces, like Mr. Stalin here or the AIA, DMK, who are able to hold off Congress and BJP in their state in Tamil Nadu. And I really salute the people of Tamil Nadu for basically challenging the central overreach, if you ask me, from both central parties. Be it West Bengal, where Didi has shown that, she's able to hold off BJP. Even in Telangana, we were able to hold off BJP and Congress for 10 years and we lost by a whisker in the last election. So it is the strong regional parties that have been able to hold off, including Kejriwal, who's won 3 terms on the trot. The biggest letdown for this country right now, since 1996 or post that, has been the Congress party, without a question. Because they're the ones who've not been able to build a coalition. They're the ones who don't seem to get off their high horse, cannot seem to understand that their days... See, look at Bihar. What went wrong? See, in Bihar, Congress is a fringe party. In Tamil Nadu, they're a fringe player. But they do not want to accept the fact. I'm sure we'll talk about how they troubled DMK in April 2026. Because the Congress always wants to bite more than what it can chew. And then eventually it helps the opposition. That's how it works all the time. Having said that, now, what is that glue that can bind us together? See, for instance, if us in Telangana and Stalin in Tamil Nadu and Didi in... We tried, by the way, my father tried very, very hard to stitch up a credible third front or a federal front, as he called it. But what we realized is there isn't anything that's binding us together other than probably a little bit of, not animosity, but probably a little bit of a common enemy kind of a factor. That is not something that is going to work in long term. So that is the biggest challenge with India. Our diversity sometimes also ends up being our challenge. So I'd say that's the biggest problem with opposition today.